Number 4. Yada sannidhanam gata manava me bhavambodhiparam gataste tadaiva iti vyanjayan sindhu tireya aste tamide pavitram parashakti putram. Here Lord Muruga in Tiruchendur is praised. I sing the praise of the pure son of the great Shakti, whose abode is near seashore, Tiruchendur, as if it is an indication that whenever a devotee takes refuge in the Lord, he has crossed the ocean of painful day-to-day life.